This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Charge the speaker above 50% or plug it in because updates can fail if power drops. Next, install the manufacturer app or download the firmware to your computer. This gives you the correct files and instructions. Once done, put the speaker into pairing or update mode, often a long press on power or a dedicated update button so your device can see it. Make sure Bluetooth is on and nearby devices are off to avoid interference. You now initiate the transfer, open the app or connect the speaker by USB and choose the firmware file if required, because the right file prevents bricking. Start the update and watch progress bars closely. Do not cancel or power off during transfer, as partial writes corrupt the system. Maintain a steady connection by keeping your phone or PC within 1 to 3 meters and disable sleep timers so the host doesn't suspend mid-update. If prompted, confirm any permissions the app requests. You finish by letting the speaker fully reboot. Many units update internal partitions and then restart automatically. Once it's back, check the firmware version in settings to confirm success and test audio features to verify normal behavior. If the speaker is unresponsive, perform a factory reset per the manual, because that often restores a corrupted boot state. If problems persist, gather your model number, firmware file name, and any error messages. Then contact support. These details speed a proper recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.